Welcome back to Korean Step by Step. In this lesson, we'll cover nuance endings and conditionals. Colloquial sentence endings greatly change nuance, and conditional forms let you express assumptions or regret about things that did not happen. Daniel provides a reason or background the listener doesn't yet know. This word means, I have to leave early today. Listen.
오늘은 일찍 가야 해요. 약속이 있거든요.
This word means I told you yesterday. Remember that the meeting was cancelled. Listen.
어제 말했잖아요. 회의가 취소됐다고요.
This word means, of course I know. Listen.
당연히 알죠. 제가 직접 만들었잖아요.
The orgullo recalls and reports something you personally witnessed or experienced in the past. This word means, I went to that cafe, and it was quieter than I expected, I found. Listen.
그 카페에 가봤는데 생각보다 조용하더라고요.
Ooh, one, the orgullo is awkward with first-person feelings. It suits recalling others or objective facts. 1. A key restriction. This word means, I noticed my sibling has grown a lot more mature lately. Listen.
동생이 요즘 부쩍 어른스러워졌더라고요.
Maya is a general condition. Maya expresses a counterfactual past assumption, often with regret. This word means if only I had left a little earlier, I wouldn't have missed the train. Listen.
조금만 일찍 출발했더라면 기차를 놓치지 않았을 거예요.
Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
거든요, 자나요, 더라고요 왔더라면?
Key difference. Jukinio gives new info. Denial refers to shared info, and a sharp tone with denial can sound accusatory. Now, let's practice. Read these out loud before I do.
오늘은 일찍 가야 해요. 약속이 있거든요. 어제 말했잖아요. 회의가 취소됐다고요. 당연히 알죠. 제가 직접 만들었잖아요. 그 카페에 가봤는데 생각보다 조용하더라고요. 동생이 요즘 부쩍 어른스러워졌더라고요.
Great job! Try them again on your own. Let's recap what we covered today. Giving a reason new info. As you know, recalling personal experience. Conditionals and counterfactuals. Great work! Practice nuance endings and conditionals with native audio and quizzes at korean.mycorepic.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.